Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Oppo. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. So while using, allow. Then exit iOS Launcher app. I need to rotate my tablet real quick and then go into devices settings. In settings, scroll all the way down to access apps. Now select default apps, click on the Home app and tap on iOS Launcher. Then click on Got it in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going into the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!